Well, hi people. Today I found probably one of the solutions because I had the issue with stop recording video. It still saves the video on your local hard drive, but maybe this will help you know some other settings related to graphics card because it didn't help either because people recommended to turn this on. Also, this didn't work option for me. When I tried to run as administrator, uh, because it gives you priority, first priority. I think what was working optimal settings when you go to output recording. Uh, Slow, good quality reset. Uh, I don't know what quality of the video I will have after turning feature off, like look ahead, adaptive quantization, multipass mode. I think I don't need two passes. I will check what my video will look like if I have high bitrate. Hopefully this option helps people. I'm testing working with soft image application program, insect polygons, merge, cyclic holes in this object because I model the terrain. I have got image reference and I want to create model. Why I'm using, why I am using, why I'm still using this application because it has native support for cycles renderer engine. And you can get this from some soft image add-ons. And you can download it manually. And you can see, I don't know how long will it take to model the terrain. I also applied textures. Wait a minute, why nothing shows? Metal, I think this is because you have to manually select metal, and then it will be visible. I don't see any UV unwrapping options. I probably I wonder where do I have clusters? Oh no, I don't have. Oh no, my interface doesn't work properly. I think I will have to run application once again because I have some weird issues. I don't have much time. No good. I think some applications work properly when we run applications as administrators. This wasn't visible for me. Oh no. Modify guide? Ah, I thought I remembered it. Ah, no, I thought I remembered. Oh, this is that project. I will have to tell resolution. And now we have visible clusters because I couldn't remove all the texture rejection. Oh no, because it works perfect. Because sometimes you have to use this option to apply texture from the beginning. Like I have unfold texture because this application makes a backup copy of texture rejection because I want to finish model of the terrain because I got PBR materials. And I'm very happy that it is completely free and we have shader packs. So you can use Blender's materials, similar materials which are connected to Blender. At least Blender materials aren't available. They remove the web page with shaders for Blender because I had this doesn't exist anymore. You can still have access to it using Wayback Machine, but they removed that web page for Blender materials. At least this is still existing for soft image. And I hope you like my video tutorials about it. I'm testing OBS Studio today how it works.